you take your handy dandy that would be grammar, G-R-A-M-M-A-R, that's 7 letters. And take your handy dandy highlighter, yellow, and I see 2 what?
R's.
2 R's. So that'd be a 2 factorial. And then you got 2 what?
And A's.
2 A's. That would be 2 factorial. And then you got 2 M's. And that would be 2 factorial. And then, of course, this, the 7 letters, goes 7 factorial. So you got 7 factorial over 8, and that's equal to 630. Needless to say, I'm trying to put one of those on the test. Still trying to find one that I usually, this is a lottery question. There it is, there's your test question right there. It says, find the probability of what? Winning. And winning means that you bought a what?
1 ticket.
1 ticket, unless it's otherwise specified. With the following rules, select the 4 winning numbers from blah, 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 blah. And it says, in what? Any what? Order. All right, so in this case, you got 1 over, and that'd be 21 combination of 4. So take your handy dandy calculator, and that would be 21. Let's see if I got a combination in there somewhere. Nope. There we go. 21 combination of 4. So 1 over 5985. 1 over 5985. And see, you get it right. But if you put 5985 in there without the 1, it'll count it wrong. And that's 5 or 10 points on the test that you don't want to see go. Oh, here's one. Permutation. It's not the one I would pick for a test question, though. Let me see. No, I wouldn't pick that one either. Nope. I want the word. There we go. There's the test question I picked for a permutation. It says a corporation must appoint a president, a chief executive officer, a chief operating officer, and a chief financial officer. It must also appoint a planning committee with 3 different members. There are 17 qualified candidates, and officers can also serve on the committee. Complete parts A through C. I just want you to do the first part. A corporation must appoint a president, chief executive officer, chief operating officer, and chief financial officer. And they have 17 people to pick from. So, it would be a permutation. Why?
Because it's in order.
It's in order, and it would be 17 permutation of 4. 17 permutation 4. So that'd be 17 math permutation of 4. 57,120. Okay, now what about the committees? Does the committee have to be in order? No. So it's a combination, so it'd be combination. So pull up your handy dandy calculator and second function entry. There's your combination, and it would be 3, 17, combination of 3. $680. If I read the question right, because it's asking for 4 or 5 different things. What is the probability of randomly selected members and getting the 3 youngest? The 3 youngest. Corporation must appoint president, chief executive officer, blah, blah, blah. We've already done that. It must also appoint a planning committee with 3 different members. There are 17 qualified candidates and other, blah, 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 blah. Okay. All right, take a minute, and what is the probability of randomly selecting a committee member and getting the 3 youngest of the qualified candidates? Now this is the committee. Freeze it for a second, Remy. I'm going to take the roll. Just hit bottom right hand corner. Thank you. All right, today's date. Attendance. Faculty, attendance tracker. Really? This is getting old. That's good. here, Bright's here, Brock's here, Coward's here. Dyer, I think Dyer's here today. Dyer? I think she's here. Jones is here, Joshi is here, Long is here, Ariana is here, Putnam is here, Richardson is here, and Swinford is here. Everybody's here, except for one person. Now, unfreeze it. Now, this one is more complicated than it's not as complicated as it sounds. It says, what is the probability of randomly selecting committee members, the three youngest committee members be of qualified candidates? What is the probability of randomly selecting the committee members and getting three youngest of the qualified candidates? Well, your second part, 680, that's your denominator here. So that's going to be 680. So take your handy dandy whiteboard and 680 is right here. Now let's say that the three youngest is John, James, and Jerry. Okay, three youngest. If they're included with the 5 committee members, and there are 5 committee members? 5, let's see. Must also appoint with 3 different members. Okay, 3. I'm sorry, 3. Then that would be 3 out of what? Would that be one committee? If it's the 3 youngest, then that would be the one committee. Sorry, that would be one committee out of how many? 680. Okay? It says committee members and getting all 3 to be in the qualified candidates. And it's a 3-member what? 3-member committee. So if they want the 3 youngest, that'll be just one. It'd be like the youngest one. It'd be the one on this end down here. It'd be 1 out of 680, which it says type as integer. So I mean a fraction. So it'd be 1 over 680. Should be. Well, why couldn't it be 2 over 680? Well, how many members is it on the committee? 3. They're asking for the youngest what?
1.
3. So the youngest 3 being on the committee, how many are there? There's only 1 because of the youngest 3. So it's kind of a trick question. So they couldn't ask for the second to the youngest because then there would have to be a different type of problem. Okay? So that's the test question. And here's another test question. Winning the jackpot in a particular lottery requires that you select the 5 numbers between 1 and 34. And in a separate drawing, you must select the correct single number. Now, we've done this one. We did this, the Powerball and the Mega Million. Same thing. So, find the probability of winning. Again, that winning means that you're buying what? A ticket. So your answer is going to be under 1, or 1 over some BA number. And in this case, it's going to be 34, a combination of 5. 34, combination of 5, times 32, combination of 1. Oops. So do that math. And when you work that out, second entry, so we're going to get 34 combination of 5. And I'm going to stow that. Stow alpha. F is in first. And 32 combination of 1 is 32, but go ahead and check it. Second function entry, second function entry, 32 combination of 1, and multiply by alpha F, which is that BA number, and you get 8,904,192. 8,194,102. What I say?
That's what you said.
904,192. 8,904,192. It's a miracle. And that's how you do 4.6. So that means, what does that mean? Y'all should be done with 4.6 material. That means Thursday is review day over chapter 4, and we'll start chapter 5. Y'all get out of here. Have a good day. See y'all.
When's the next, Thursday or Tuesday?